Suzuki cars, what's the first thing that comes to mind? Yeah, absolutely. We've built a strong reputation for distinctive SUVs with 4x4 ability. A reputation that started in 1970, through the 1980s, when SUVs became more road-oriented, to the car that you're looking at today. Hi, I'm Duncan, and I'd like to thank you for showing an interest in the Suzuki Vitara. I'm going to show you some of the things that we love about this great car. Let's start with its SUV character. One look and you know Vitara is not just an authentic SUV, but a Suzuki SUV. However, you're an individual, and so can your Vitara be. With a vast range of vibrant colours and personalisation options, the possibilities are endless. Personally, I love the white one with red accents. Classically sporty. Yet the design is also very practical. Vitara's SUV packaging combines generous minimum ground clearance with short front and rear overhangs, assisting you in various off-road conditions. This ability is enhanced by its compact size and lightweight. However, for most of us, the car will be mainly used on-road, so it's built to satisfy your on-road needs too. For example, the optional all-grip four-wheel drive operates as a front-wheel drive car normally for optimum efficiency. The rear wheels engage in automatically when extra traction is required. Staying with performance, Vitara is equipped with Suzuki's self-charging hybrid technology. Working seamlessly in combination with each other, an electric motor helps the booster jet turbocharged petrol engine when it's under stress. For example, accelerating or going up a hill, and then uses the energy created during deceleration to recharge its battery. The result? Spirited performance with a maximum torque output that's enhanced by the hybrid motor, and excellent economy, making even the longest drives effortless while reducing your fuel costs. With carbon dioxide emissions as low as 128 grams per kilometre, this is also far better for the environment. So with Vitara you get advanced technology for everyday use, and this philosophy extends to inside the car. With the choice of highly equipped grades, there's bound to be a model that suits your needs. Personally, I love the SZ5 model. The light and airy atmosphere is enhanced by the SZ5's panoramic sunroof. Just look at how much light it provides. All models have the comfort of climate-controlled air conditioning, and the mid-SZT model has a touchscreen that can be operated even by gloved hands. Similarly, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensure that you can stay connected and can even listen to your favourite music, podcasts or stories, as well as use your preferred navigation apps. I really wish I could share with you more of the equipment inside this car, but you'll see that for yourself when you speak to your dealer. However, just look at the amount of usable space you have in a car of this size. Simple things make it even better. For example, what would you do with this parcel shelf if you wanted to use the full height of the car? No need to leave it anywhere then, just store it underneath. Of course, you can rest assured knowing that you and your occupants are being protected by the very latest in proactive safety equipment, which is included as standard in whichever model you choose. At the Vitara, then please contact your local Suzuki dealer. You can find them here.